Need easier access to your iPhone's features? Let's learn how to use AssistiveTouch. Hi, I'm CEO from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to use the AssistiveTouch on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and open the Accessibility settings. Here you can see the touch option. Simply tap on it. At the very top of the touch settings list, you will see the option for Assistive Touch. Tap on it to proceed. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to the Assistive Touch option to turn it on. Once it is enabled, you will see a small floating button near your screen. You can now use Assistive Touch to easily access various functions and shortcuts on your iPhone. And this is how you can use Assistive Touch on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.